Hello. We're going to go over world charts. Now, this is really cool. So, if you don't know where you're going, you open up a regular card, go to Edit and Analyzer, and if you look under Popular Charts, you can click that. There's the world one. But you can also click here, Maps, and now you can pick all these different countries that are right here. Okay? We're going to pick on the world one. So, here, what you need to put in, you definitely need country name. You need to put that in there. You need some type of value to determine the order of things. Now, a couple pieces of advice. Try to make all the country names standard, meaning if it's a full name, put the full name. Don't put the two-letter character code like US and also have another line that's United States. Try to make them all normalize. Same thing. All right, and then we put in spend. So check this out. If I go to color theme and I were to make this all green, and if I were to do, let's take off this diverging for a second so I can show you. There we go. We can see very nice, show me green, the darker the color, the more spend by country, okay? No problema. I can go here too, I can say general, and I could do balance distribution. It just kind of evens it out a little bit. You could do that if you want to. Okay, now, this is okay, right? But we're showing everything in green. It's a little hard to know, is it good, is it bad? I'm not really sure. So check this out. If I go to diverging, I can say show diverging. Now I can say I want the midpoint value to be yellow, whatever. And I want my upper theme to be green and my lower one to be red, something like that. And now we can tell what's going on a little faster. But this is spend, right? So let's put in something like revenue. Revenue is going to be easier to understand. There we go. So now I can say, let's make that also a currency. Beautiful. Cool. Now I can say, hey, which countries have the most revenue right here? And I can go down the list to see, which ones are the really bad ones. So just by changing some color, that makes this better. And hey, if you look over here, we have all these different countries and you could pick different provinces within those countries like China, France, all these ones here. Hey, what if you don't see a certain map that you want to put a country in there? Well, you could totally do that. If you go to custom charts, here is where you can put in different maps. So I put this map of Chicago in there. I'll show you that later, but there's totally a way to put in maps of anything. You could put a map of a baseball field, which I've seen. You could put the map of a neighborhood. You have to have just the specific types of maps to use. But anyway, that is a very fast intro into how to use the world map. Hey, and you thought that was cool? I got a surprise for you. So if you don't know what I do, I teach people how to get very, very good at Domo, and I have an online course. So if you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get a trial of my course. And here I have a specific course called 201, where I go over all the ETL functions and all the chart types, just like what we just talked about. And this way you can see how I do it. You can practice. The whole point of the course is they're made of 5-10-minute videos, little bite-sized chunks. So you could watch me and do it during break, before work, after work. You can binge it. You could do whatever you want. But the method is you watch me do it, then you do it. And we're going to go back and forth like that. And that's how you're going to learn. You get your hands dirty. Hands-on experience is the Dashboard Dudes method. In addition, at this course, you get access to actually all of my other courses. That means you get Domo 101, 201, 301, 401, bricks, data science stuff, App Studio, distribution, whatnot. You also get 30 minutes with me free every single month, where you can ask me a question if you want to. And you get access to my video FAQ. So if you have a question about how to do something, chances are I might have made a video on how to answer already. You have access to that. And you get my emails that only come in once a month. I'm just showing you the latest and greatest with Domo or Data World. And it's just to keep you up to date. Cool. Give it a shot. Check out the trial. And I hope it helps you.